actually have no idea what day it is. Let me put you down here. I'm kind of in a bit of a rush right now because I started getting ready a bit later than I was supposed to. Today, me and my boyfriend are going to the city. I won't tell you what we're doing yet. You'll have to wait and see. But I really need to get going. I'm just a bit nervous because we are leaving Pochi. No one is staying with me right now. I'm alone for the weekend, so I'm really hoping that Pochi behaves. But yes, that's basically my plan for today. I'm just like, I'm looking forward to it, but we have to go all the way to the city. The trains are cancelled today, so we have to take the bus to Parramatta and then take the train from there. But look at the flowers. I've already gotten rid of the dead ones, but there have been more. But all the lilies have bloomed. This one is still in the process of blooming. But oh my gosh, I love lilies so much. They're so pretty. Yes, I need to get going. I really don't want to miss my bus. Actually, I need to bring an umbrella because it's probably gonna rain. But anyways, I'll see you later. Mwah. So, I've just made it to Parramatta, but I'm still waiting for Miguel. But it is 11:07 right now. Yeah, everyone's looking at me because I have a camera out. Because who the hell has a whole camcorder out? Anyways, I got Miguel and I some food, some ham and cheese pockets, something small, like to keep us a bit filled. I'm trying not to be shy, but I'm getting really shy because everyone's looking at me. Okay, Miguel and I just got to, where are we again? Green Square. But we have like an hour to kill, so Miguel found this thing called, what is it, the Vintage Emporium? And we're trying to find it. If you know Miguel, you know he loves his vintage stuff. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, my mom would really like this stuff. Oh, Miguel. Miguel. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that's fully taxidermy. I feel like my mom would really enjoy this store. Also, this whole place is my mom's aesthetic. Whoa! I could use this for my sewing stuff. Oh my gosh, okay, all of this stuff, this reminds me of like my grandma's house. Oh, there's a lion. Oh, Miguel would like that. I need to get Miguel.
For a superstar. Really.
Wonder Woman. Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins, yo.
Ew. Hair. Hair. More hair. What's
I want this in my house.
645.
Like this exact set. Oh my god.
What's this from?
I don't know.
Oh. This section is so cool. It's all like wooden stuff.
Oh, that is super cool.
Right? Oh, those coat hangers are cute.
I thought I lost my phone.
You're holding it. It is 12:41 right now. Miguel and I have to start heading. We are going to the cat cafe. I'm so excited. I haven't been to one since I've been to New Zealand. Miguel has been to this one before. To get going though, because we have to walk. I think it's like an 11-minute walk.